Hi, I'm Kim and I live full-time in a 2014 Honda Fit that I converted into a cozy little camper. It's small but it works and I want to show you how. If you've ever thought about trying van life or cart life in this case, or you're just here to see how I fit an entire lifestyle into a subcompact vehicle, you're in the right place. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe if this is the kind of tiny living outdoorsy adventure or DIY travel content that's your vibe. So here's where it all started. I knew I wanted something removable. A lot of car builds go permanent with bolts and screws in their frame, but I wanted to keep the flexibility. That meant everything had to be able to slide in, fold down, or tuck away. The good news is the Honda Fit is sneaky spacious. The back seats fold down flat and even the front seats recline nearly all the way, giving me about 8 feet of space to work with. But the challenge, turning that space into something livable and convertible. I started by building this rectangular insert for the back. It acts as 2 storage closets that slide in through the back doors, and that's where I keep most of my clothes. Next up was the W-shaped piece that fits into the trunk area, designed for bulk storage like food bins, my water jug, extra layers, that kind of thing. These 2 pieces are topped with 1/2-inch plywood to form the base of the bed. The front seats get folded backwards, and then I created these U-shaped inserts that sit on top of them. Then there's 2 final boards that slide out, snapping the whole bed platform together like a puzzle. And for the bed, I went with a tri-fold memory foam mattress, easy to pack up and way comfier than you'd expect. Now let's talk power, because that's what makes this setup functional. As someone who works remotely, I need a reliable off-grid power source, and that's where the Renogy 195-watt Shadow Flux solar panel comes in. It's lightweight enough for the Honda Fit roof and powerful enough to charge all my gear, my laptop, camera, phone, lights, the essentials. What I really love is that it still produces power in less than perfect sunlight. I'm not always parked in direct sun, like shaded trailheads and forest campsites are more my vibe anyways, and this panel keeps working even when the light's patchy. Between that and the battery bank, I can run my digital nomad life completely off-grid. Living full-time in a Honda Fit definitely has its quirks, but honestly, I love it. It's low-key, it's affordable, and it's opened up so many experiences I wouldn't have had otherwise. Driven across provinces, parked in national parks, camped on lakes, and made a little home for myself in one of the tiniest spaces imaginable. So if you're curious about car life or planning your own build, drop your questions in the comments. I'll answer everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see how I live, work, and explore full-time from this tiny Honda Fit. There's a lot more coming.